Well, resuming our speaker list, let me say that now is the time to call upon Dr. Manjeet Singh Bhalla, who will be talking on healthcare oral health with us today. Doctor, can we please have you on stage? Thank you so much. And what do? We give the biggest round of applause to the doctor, and thank you so much for making time for us here.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am basically a doctor, not a speaker. I can't speak so fluently, which I have seen few doctors also giving good speech. Dear friends, invitees, it's my pleasure to be with you all here in Mumbai. I am Dr. Manjeet Singh Bhalla, dental surgeon from Ahmedabad, practicing dentistry for last 36 years. I started my career with a small dental clinic in Ahmedabad with a basic small dental setup. There is no shortcut to success. One has to keep serving the society. I remember my father, who is no more now, he used to tell me that treat all the patients as if you are treating your own family members. With every satisfied patient, word of mouth spreads and your patient inflow increases. With the blessings of God and elders, I can say that today I am having a very decent clinic with 6 operatories and 9 doctors working under me and having all the latest equipment for the dentistry. Nowadays, lot of changes are seen in the modality of the dental treatment. Long back are the days when people used to go to the dentist for only tooth removal. Nowadays, aesthetic dentistry is a very popular treatment. We design the smile for the patient. With the dental veneers, we can give beautiful alignment to the teeth with bright smile, and patient goes home with a confident smile. Nowadays, digital techniques are used in dentistry. Few of you must have gone for dental treatment where to prepare the crown and bridge, impression materials were used. Nowadays, a 3D scanner camera is used where a small camera moves around your teeth and captures the images which are transferred to the dental lab by email. And then they prepare the dental crown by 3D printing, so the chances of human errors are avoided. Nowadays, nobody wants removable dentures. With the treatment of dental implants, we can give permanent fixed set of teeth to the patient and he can have the comfort of natural teeth. I remember Janki Dadi, the global head of Brahma Kumaris, Mount Abu. She is 103-year-old now. I had placed 8 implants in her case and that's a world record. And she is comfortable using those implants. Thank you all. I thank Times Cyber Media to come here, invite me and be with you all. Thank you.
Well, in our next category of Indian healthcare icon, Dental Surgeon of the Year 2019 from Ahmedabad goes to Dr. Manjeet Singh Bhalla. Dr. Bhalla, we welcome you on stage to receive the Certificate of Excellence and your award. Thank you so much for joining us today. Can we get the roar going? It just sounds better.